Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put number 1 go to the left. We know that this one we can put into s squared plus 1 to the power of 3 over 2. The square root that is about 1 over 2. This one that is about positive number 1. Now this one divided by this one, so we have like this. So this one we have 1 over 2. Now I will concentrate about this one first. So we can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to tan t, because if I put this one going here, we have tan t squared. Tan t squared plus 1, we change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify 1 over 2 and ds. This one we have secant of t squared dt. First derivative of tan t, we have secant of t squared. So I will put this one going here. ds we change by this one. So this one we have secant of t squared. So this one we have secant of t. Next, this one divided by this one, so we have secant of t. The integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we have t equals to r tan of s. So I will put this one to change for t. So tan with r tan, we have s. Now we have the last one in here. So we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. Because we don't have number 2, so we divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u. S ds we change by this one. So if we want to put this one on numerator, we have u to the power of negative number 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer. So this one we have negative 1 over 2. We have negative 1 over 2. Number 2 and number 2 we cancel, and I will put negative sign on here. About u, that is about this one. And now we go back in here. So the interaction of this one, that is about this one. So the interaction of this one, that is about this one. So we have negative and negative. We have positive in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.